Hello guys, so today I will show you how to change fraction in Call of Dragons. For doing that, it's really simple. You just gotta go to your profile and you gotta see fraction icon right there, and you can just click it, but you can only click it when you are in 8th level. Right now I'm not in 8th level, but once you're in 8th level you can click it and you can change the fraction of the servers. Once you reach level 8, they're gonna give you one item to change the fraction, and you just gotta use it to change any fraction you want. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and for more other videos, please like and subscribe. I will post many type of video like this, and I hope I will see you soon, and bye bye.